Okay, mic check, mic check, mic check. Um, should be able to hear and see. Mr. Blue here. Good morning, good morning. What's going on? Blessing, Montu, Bimlet. What do you think? So, um, I literally have to forget Powell's speech. I'll worry about that later. I literally am probably closing on a house. I'm not sure how much time I'm going to be able to spend on here right now today. Well, first of all, TradePhantoms.com, right? Today's date. I'm literally in the middle of closing a deal. Kind of crazy right now. So I don't know how much I'm going to be able to share with y'all today for trading. For the folks that are in Phantoms, I will say we are gapping down. You can take profit on some of the puts that we got over there for the swing. Trade us. I like that energy, Bimblet. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. But literally got a text. Yeah, I got a conference call. I got a conference call at literally 9 a.m. in about 8 minutes. So yeah. I know it's kind of weird online right now. This is all like recorded on YouTube. It's kind of weird. My phantoms know what's going on in the deal. But I get 8 minutes, so 7 minutes now. So I guess let's go through it real quick. All right, maybe I can jump on a little bit later. Maybe I'll make a trade room for the real phantoms later. But yeah, it's all happening like kind of like right now. What's today? Thursday. Where am I? Right. So Thursday the 15th, right? May 15th, and so this is all just this is all happening like right now, right? So I gotta jump on the phone, but conference call. But the I don't know what to say. We got futures that did S&P up here, upper left, Nasdaq upper right. I gotta get this house. Dow Jones, Dow Jones lower left, Russell 2000. I got a house that works. It works. It fits. It fits. So competition is fierce. So you got to stay ready. You got to stay ready. So get the guns out. This is so weird online. I was about to cancel this, but hey, at least I'm here right now to at least mention it to folks here, right? So okay, so we got Dow Jones. Make sure folks that are in that long put, make sure you take some profit. Okay, make sure you take some profit on that. This morning we have a gap down. Okay, I got the weekly on the left, the spies here, daily on the right. Okay, so you take some profit off that. Yeah, this is kind of super weird, but it just is what it is. We got VIX. I can't even concentrate right now because of everything that kind of went on overnight high, overnight low. I've been at my desk for almost 2.5 hours now, but it's all been regarding real estate kind of stuff. But yeah, folks, I apologize for this. But if you know anything about real estate and homes and things like that, you got to make decisions. So gold swipe below that level. Took a bounce off that. But I will say this. I apologize for this, folks, but it is what it is, right? So we do have a core PPI, retail sales, unemployment, all that stuff came out. Jay Powell did speak, right? Somebody had mentioned that in the chat here, right? So I didn't even look at what he said. So we can look at that later. For my phantoms, stay close to the chat. I apologize for this, but everybody knows for the most part in phantoms. Yeah, I'm still in Baba. I did a trade on EBABA. Nothing crazy, $1.80 or something like that, right? For the options, it's not looking too good. I priced that out. I wasn't even gonna do it, but did it. So, not too crazy. Gap down on it. So it's like $1.80. And here I can even show for the tube here. Yeah, I gotta move on this thing here. I gotta move on this thing. This house. I gotta move on this house. So definitely not paying for it with the Baba earnings, right? But that was a little YOLO, nothing too crazy. You see, I bought them for like $1.80, $1.82. So they're probably gonna be, I mentioned price it out to potentially go to zero there, right? All right. So we're getting down on that. So nothing too crazy. Earnings. The next big earnings thing or company, I should say, is going to be NVIDIA, right? Coming up soon. So that I wasn't even going to take that really, but I took it, right? And taking a loss on it. Got the weekly on the left and on the right. Let's see. So $1.80, 84. No big deal. So NVIDIA is coming up soon. That'll probably be the last and final earnings announcement that I'm going to potentially trade, right? So that is coming up May 28th, right? So we got a couple weeks on that. Spies are. I will say this. I got to jump off, folks. I apologize for this, but it's literally. There it is. Yep, I gotta go, folks. On S&Ps, I'll see if I can try to connect with y'all later. This is so weird, but I said, I'm not gonna cancel anything. I just get on the mic, inform the folks, and we could take it from there. But we are gapping down. Make sure you can take some profit from those puts that we got in. Nothing too crazy, but we are gapping down into a level. All right, so my phantoms who are trained know the deal, but I got to jump off, folks. There's my cue right there. I apologize for this, but I gotta get a house. I gotta get a house. Competition, life's a competition, and you gotta hit it. You gotta hit it when it's right. And this one right here works on all fronts. So I gotta jump out. All right, I apologize for this. I'll see y'all soon. I'll see some of my phantoms later. Stay close to the chat. Maybe I'll type something in there. Maybe we can figure something out later. But for right now, just on YouTube and all this kind of stuff like that, I can't play around right now. I gotta go. All right, I gotta go for now. I'll see y'all soon. All right, take care. God bless. Take care. Godspeed.